Hello there guys, and welcome to Prepare Your Pan channel. Today we will make some pork ribs, so let's get started. First we will have to get rid of some extra skin. If we don't remove it, the ribs will have an unpleasant chewy texture. Using a small knife and starting from the smallest rib bone, try to create some space between the skin and the meat. We will do this for the first 4 bones of the ribs. Using a paper towel, pull off the skin. This step is easy if the meat is a little bit frozen. Now place 3 aluminum foils on a flat surface. The third one should cover the first 2, and then place the meat in the middle. Now for the marinade. On the first side I'm using soy sauce and Worcester sauce. Gently massage the meat, then generously cover in store-bought grill spice. The one I'm using is a mix of mustard powder, thyme, salt, paprika, pepper and coriander. Then add some extra smoked paprika, salt and pepper. And for the other side we will just repeat this process but without adding the extra salt and pepper. The reason for not adding extra salt and pepper is because on this side we will add the barbecue sauce after the first cooking phase. Now fold the ribs into the aluminum foil. Make sure to seal the ends. In this way we will prevent the meat from drying out. And now the hardest part. Let this go into a refrigerated for at least overnight. And then we will cook it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, remove the ribs from the oven and cut lengthwise the aluminum foil. Be careful when doing this as there might be some hot steam. Make some space to unveil the ribs and glaze it with a generous amount of barbecue sauce. Make sure to check my video for the barbecue sauce. Trim off the excess aluminum foil and put this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for another 10 to 15 minutes. So this is the final product. Now let's plate it. Be careful when lifting the ribs as they are tender and might end up falling off the bone. I like to serve them with some toasted buns, pickled cucumbers and a side salad. There you have it guys, pork ribs. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if yes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Thank you for watching, have a great day, bye!